Hi, I'm Linda Melancon, and I'm an estate planning and elder law attorney in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I practice with a law firm called Legacy Estate and Elder Law of Louisiana. Again, our main office is in Baton Rouge. We also have a satellite office in Lake Charles, Louisiana. Recently, I did a video where I talked about some of the common mistakes that I see in estate planning, and today I want to go into more depth about one of those common mistakes, and that is the failure to coordinate your beneficiary designations with the rest of your estate plan. And so I think most people, most attorneys would realize how important it is for you to have a will or to have a trust to pass your property to your loved ones, to your heirs when you die. But oftentimes, attorneys who don't practice regularly in this type of law fail to make sure that you have also coordinated your non-probate assets with your probate assets so that your plan works the way that you intend. And so what are probate and non-probate assets? Well, most of us have life insurance policies, IRAs, 403Bs, 401Ks, other types of retirement plans that pass by a beneficiary designation. So what that means is they don't pass through your will, they don't pass through a trust at your death, but they pass to the people that you have named on those beneficiary designation forms. The same is true of annuities. A lot of people that I meet with have annuities as a financial planning tool, and those annuities pass by beneficiary designation and don't pass through your will or through your trust. And so anytime that you're doing estate planning, you need to look at your will and your trust and make sure you're leaving things to the people that you want to in the manner that you want to, but that you also have looked at all of those beneficiary designated accounts and that those accounts are going to the place that you want them to go to. You may have a young heir, an irresponsible heir, or a special needs heir, and you may want to create a trust for them. And so when we are doing our beneficiary designations, when we're coordinating our beneficiary designations with the estate plan, we're probably going to want to name that trust as the beneficiary of those things instead of naming the person individually. This is an instance where it's really important for you to work with qualified professionals, someone who does estate planning on a regular basis. There are often tax consequences that may go along with leaving those plans to a trust. And so you want to make sure that you're working with somebody who knows what those tax consequences are. And so again, coordinating your beneficiary designations with your estate plan is really, really important. I know most of us have heard a story about somebody who got divorced. They didn't take their ex-wife, their ex-husband off of their life insurance. They died, and that ex-wife or that ex-husband got that life insurance policy. That's not what they would have ever intended to do. They may have gone and updated their will, but they forgot to update those beneficiary designations. In fact, there is a case here in Louisiana, a pretty famous case that deals with some retirement plan assets and an ex-spouse who was going to get those assets. And so it is something very, very easy to forget about, but it's also something very, very important to make sure that you have done. And so if you need additional information about this or any other estate planning topic, please feel free to go to our website, www.legacycenterla.com. We've got a lot of articles on the website about beneficiary designations, about other estate planning, elder law, and probate topics. I think you'll find a wealth of information there and probably will be a big help to you. I appreciate you listening to this video, and if we can be any help, please feel free to call our office, 225-744-0027, to learn more about estate planning.